Here we are at our complementary and supplementary angles notes, day 2. Looking at example 1, we're asked to find the value of x. Now what we see here is a complementary set of angles because we have that 90-degree mark right there. And we have these two angles, 4x and 2x, combining to give us that 90-degree angle. So that's why we're going to go ahead and set it equal to 90 degrees. Combining these two values, we end up with 6x is equal to 90 degrees. And then when we go ahead and divide that on both sides, that's 6. To solve for x, what we end up then with is x equals 15. So x is 15 degrees. And what you can go ahead and do, and in high school they're often going to ask you to do this, is plug that value in for x for both of your angles. So when you do that, you have 4 times 15, which gives us 60, and 2 times 15 gives us 30, which combine to give you that 90 degrees that we were talking about earlier. So in high school, again, they're usually going to ask you to do that, so just fair heads up. Here we have 7x as this angle being combined with this x plus 20 for our other angle. Now, when we're combining these, we know that we have supplementary angles, which totals 180 degrees. So we have 7x plus that other angle, x plus 20, is going to total 180 degrees. Combining like terms, we have 7x and another x, gives us a total of 8x's. Plus 20 is equal to 180 degrees. And what we're doing essentially, guys, is we're creating that equation such then that we can go ahead and solve for x. To do that, our first step then, and to isolate that, is we're going to subtract 20 from both sides. 20 is gone, leaving us that 8x equals 160. And then lastly, to solve for x, we're going to go ahead and divide this coefficient 8 on both sides. 8's are going to cancel, leaving you just your x equals 160 divided by 8 is 20. Now again, just like before, what we can go ahead and do is substitute that in. Here it's not asking for it, it's just looking for x, but again, you're going to see that quite a bit. So 7 times 20 is 140 degrees for this angle right here, versus 20 plus 20 is 40 degrees for this other angle. But again, though, that is example 1 from our complementary and supplementary angles, day 2 set of notes.